In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payments manually in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a payment you received outside of QuickBooks, like a check, and record it so your invoices and customer balances stay accurate. First, sign in and head to your QuickBooks Online homepage. From here, open the Receive Payment screen. This is the form you'll use to tell QuickBooks who paid you, how they paid, and which invoice the money should be applied to. If the form opens with today's date, you can keep it or update it to the actual date you received the payment so your reports line up. Next, choose the customer who sent the payment. Use the customer field to search and select the right profile. This ensures the payment reduces that customer's outstanding balance. If the customer has open invoices, you'll see them listed on the form. Now set the payment method. Open the method menu and choose check. This helps you track how funds arrive and can make reconciliations smoother later. Click into the payment field and type the exact amount received. Make sure the number matches the check to the cent. Then add the reference or check number in the appropriate field. Including this number is a small step that pays off when you need to trace a payment back to a bank deposit or a customer inquiry. Look at the list of open invoices for the selected customer and check the one you want to apply the payment to. If there are multiple, pick the invoice or invoices that match the amount you entered. QuickBooks will show you the amount applied so you can confirm everything balances. If it's a partial payment, you can still apply it to a single invoice. The remaining balance will stay open. Optionally, add a short note in the memo field, something like paid by check, or a brief description for context. Clear memos make audit trails easier and help anyone on your team understand what this payment was for at a glance. When everything looks correct, customer date, payment method, amount, reference number, selected invoice, and memo, go ahead and choose Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the money to the invoice, mark it as paid or partially paid, and update the customer's balance automatically. That's it. You've manually recorded a payment in QuickBooks Online with confidence and clarity. Repeat the same process for any other checks or offline payments you receive to keep your books accurate and your receivables up to date.